I am thinking of buying a Samsung refrigerator. I am wondering about Samsung refrigerator problems. What have you heard about them?
I could tell you a thing or two about these Samsung refrigerator problems. I have a heck of a lot of unhappy clients.
Oh, do tell. What is wrong with them?
Some of the issues that those who have Samsung fridges have reported is the fact that the refrigerator and the freezer part stop cooling.
Well, that is ridiculous. Obviously cooling is what a refrigerator is supposed to do.
Hey, don't shoot the messenger. I am just reporting the facts as I know them.
What other problems does this refrigerator have?
Well, sometimes the refrigerator's circulating fan breaks. Another thing that may happen with your Samsung refrigerator is that the ice maker may fail.
Unfortunately, there seem to be a number of complaints for Samsung refrigerators. I am not sure if the purchase of a Samsung is such a good idea now. I don't want to be another dissatisfied customer. Are there any other problems with Samsung refrigerators that you are aware of? However, I think I have already heard enough to rethink my purchase.
I hate to burst your bubble, but I did hear another issue about these units.
Okay, I am stealing myself here. Let's have it.
Samsung also has a number of cheap plastic parts in the fridge, and when they break, the company considers it customer abuse.
That is horrible. They should own up to their own shoddy workmanship.
I know, it is not good at all.
I really think that I may want to consider another refrigerator brand.
It would probably be a good idea. Even though you can find problems with all refrigerators, why pick a brand that has so many consumer complaints?
I am with you. While Samsung fridges look amazing, they are not as good of a deal as they appear.